Oh, two-time. Long time no see. How was your day? Hi, Chance. As same as just nothing. How about your friend? Is he getting better? Maybe next time you can introduce him to everyone. Yeah, he's much better now, thanks. And, yeah, of course I will. Oh, I see. Mafioso is so kind to me that sometimes I just want to call him a good bunny. Hey, two-time. Whoa. Two-time's boyfriend? Oh, got it. No, Chance is my best friend. Azure. Just a nightmare. Azure, I'm sorry. I should get up now, and quickly. Wait, is this all just a dream? It feels like time flies so fast. Let's forget about it. I hope there's still something left in the fridge to eat today. Finally, you're awake. Did you sleep well? What would you like for breakfast, sweetie? Oh, Spawn, it's real. Whoa, your face is so red. Do you have a fever? No, it's you. Me. Wait, what? Hey, Azure, how do I look? Azure, are you okay? I know it's a bit too much, but I like this outfit. What do you think? No, I mean, yes, but... Ugh! Please, put my hoodie over your waist. Seriously? I just don't want anyone looking at you strangely. Are you gonna tell me it looks too sexy? Just put it on. Then I'll buy my outfit first. Wait for me outside the shop. I'll follow you later. Why is my wing twitching again? So annoying. Huh? Why does he look so familiar? Wait, is that you, Amara? Amara? Even though it's been a long time, I still remember my teacher. Two-time? Why are you here? Hey, two-time? Oh, finally. Is everything done? Yeah, I'm done. And who are you talking to? Oh, I see. Azure, you haven't changed at all. Two-time, you go home first. I'll take Azure with me for a while. Ow, wait, teacher? Teacher, is there something wrong? How did you turn back? Two-time performed a ritual to me. What? I don't know about any ritual. What have you done? Did you mate it with others' culture? That's why two-time was being like that. Because of both of you. I can't believe you will be so disappointing like this. Teacher, what are you talking about? What two-time? Teacher, what is wrong with you? Why are you hating towards me this much? Teacher? Because you're the reason why Hermit has to die. I thought you were feeling shame for what you have done, but it seems like you did nothing, not even a sorry. Weak. Please don't cry. They will be better soon. Trust me. Welcome back. I'm back. Sorry for that, but it's really chaotic. My head. Azure, are you... Hey, Azure, are you okay? Oh my lord, you're bleeding. Azure, wake up. Azure? Is it my fault? Hey, two time. Let's go before it gets too late. We can come here tomorrow. I'm sorry for bringing you into this forest a lot, but I couldn't find this letter's owner. My apologies for disturbing you. I'll make something tasty for you to eat. It's fine. I'm pleased to go wherever with you. Thanks a lot. You're very relatable and still, I apologize. Ah, dang it. How deep did we come in this forest? It's getting dark. Gotta hurry. Person? Wait, it's already dark. We're not even near the edge. What should we do? Where do we stay? I can barely see in the dark. Oh, are you lost? If you need a place to stay, I can bring you to my cabin, if possible. Pretty please, let me crash in for a few nights. Thank you so much. It's okay. Sorry, we don't have enough space for you guys. Please turn back. Please, we can't go back now. It's pretty late, and I'm also worried about my pupil. Dang. Fine, but only for a few days. Thanks. I would try to finish my job as quickly as possible and leave immediately. Excuse me, are you okay? Oh, you must be a student. I'm surely fine. He never punished me like this before. This time might be too much. But don't worry about it. Forget it. I'm Azure. What about you? Two time. I'm two time. Can I call you Tommy? Pleasure to meet you. Sure. It's been a long time since I wiped those curses, and Azure has returned to normal. Everyone was happy for his return, including me, of course. It's almost good, but I don't know why. I never felt better after we got back. Like something in my heart is empty. Something has taken it away. I can't live, normally. Maybe I'm overthinking this. How about your friend? Is he getting better? Storm! Finally, you're awake. Did you sleep well? What would you like for breakfast?
Time to get horny. I know a place where boys look like AC Slater.
Don't you remember? Here's our teacher, Amara.